외계 종족의 침공으로 쑥대밭이 되는
Stark
것.
up top. He's gonna need us.
마침 배너가 오토바이를 끌고 와 팀과 합류하게 되고
So, this all seems horrible.
I've seen worse.
Sorry.
No, we could use a little worse.
Stark, we got him.
Banner,
Just like you said.
and tell him to suit up. I'm bringing the party to you.
I don't see how that's a party.
건물이 붕괴되지 않게 주의를 끌며 팀원이 그곳으로 향합니다.
Dr. Banner. Now might be a really good time for you to get angry.
That's my secret, Captain. I'm always angry.